Welcome to my channel. I am Shati Lekha. Today again I am here with a new video. Today I will discuss a topic which is very relevant nowadays. Many of you are commenting in the comment box that which course is best for getting a government job, GNM or BSc Nursing. So today I am here with this topic, GNM versus BSc Nursing, which one is best for job. Obviously government job, everyone is concerned to get a government job. So let's start with the video, and obviously from my point of view. First point, qualification for GNM and BSc both. The qualification is class 12 pass. Now for GNM nursing, it's arts background or science background, anything can be there. From any candidate from these backgrounds can come and join GNM nursing. BSc Nursing, in case of BSc Nursing, only science stream candidates can come. Only science candidates can come to BSc Nursing. Point number 2. GNM is a 3 years diploma course. BSc Nursing is a 4-year graduation course. So easily you can understand, this is a diploma course, this is a graduation course. Point number 3. GNM nursing is taught in nursing school. BSc nursing is taught in nursing college. So that is also a difference. Syllabus. Now what are the topics are being taught in GNM and BSc nursing? Subjects are more or less similar, but we have to remember in GNM nursing 3 years, what are the topics are being taught to the students? Those are very brief and making small, so that within 3 years it can be completed. For BSc nursing, all the subjects are really very vast. Syllabus is really very big. Point number 5. Practical. Practical GNM 3 years, first year, second year, third year, including that 6 months of internship they have to complete. They have a lot of practical. BSc nursing cases also from first year to fourth year, including internship, they have a lot of scope of practicals. They have to complete everything. So I don't understand why the people over there from the nursing background only, they are telling that GNM people learns a lot rather than BSc nursing people. It's not possible. They should sit with the syllabus to check for these theoretical areas, to check for the practical areas. BSc nursing syllabus is having lot and lot of hours of practical and theory. So it's not possible that GNM candidate will learn and BSc candidate will not learn. It's not possible actually, because in BSc nursing the practical hours are more. Examination for GNM, 3 examination is there, including that internship examination which is being held in school only. For BSc nursing, 4 examination, university examinations are conducted in any another examination center. They have to go their examination. Job. Who will get job and government job? Actually GNM course is a basic diploma course, and obviously in all the places there is always need of people who knows everything, and it starts from the basic level. This course belongs from there. So GNM nurses will be always needed in any type of places. BSc nursing course, it is a more refined and what I will say, it's a more refined, beautiful course. In BSc nursing they know, along with all the clinical parts, how to take classes, how to be a clinical instructor, how to be a sister tutor. They learn, because BSc nursing course is modulated, is prepared in such a way they are developing the quality of being teacher as well. So in case of BSc nursing, more scopes are there for getting job, not only in government job, various types of private job, various types of company jobs, in teaching jobs. They can go abroad, and more specifically few jobs, those are basically allowing BSc nursing people. That is a good example is army nursing. So easily you can understand that GNM people may have a lot of government jobs, but BSc people, they have a lot of various types of scope which GNM people they do not get, or else they may get GNM may get after 3 to 5 years of experience, will get just after the graduation as a fresher. Next point, salary. Yes, in case of salary for GNM, if I will go with the clinical situation, for a staff nurse the salary will start from 8 to 9,000 per month. For BSc nursing it will start from 10 to 11,000 per month. It's a basic thing I am telling. Obviously it may vary depending on the location, depending on the designation, depending on the places, and if they will be able to negotiate, the salary will be more or less, so it varies. And obviously for the government places it will depend on the grade pay. If it is fixed for GNM they will get like that, if it is fixed for BSc they will get like that, and if it is the same for both one, so they will get the same salary. Next one, future. Obviously what is the future? Nursing course is having a very good future. GNM candidate, they can opt for post basic BSc nursing, after that they can go for MSc nursing. BSc nursing candidates, they can go for MSc nursing, after that MPhil, after that PhD. Actually basically it's a straight line, GNM to BSc, GNM to post basic BSc, and BSc or post basic BSc to MSc nursing, MSc nursing to MPhil, PhD, anything can be done. And obviously if somebody will do MSc nursing from GNM also, from BSc also, they can go in teaching profession. So yes, there is a lot of scope in GNM nursing and BSc nursing. A lot of scope is there. If you think my video is helpful and it helped you to understand what are the differences between GNM and BSc nursing and which one is best for getting jobs, then don't forget to give a like. And obviously what is your thinking, let me know in the comment box. Share this video with your nursing friends or who wants to be a nurse or who has taken admission in the nursing school or nursing college. And obviously subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for this type of videos. And thank you for watching.